Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, Dr. Ragashanti.
But the topic for the week is this. Between Matey and Wifey, who get the better treatment? What we say? That topic can't come mad. That topic can't come mad. Be a things that talk out there now, you know. Yeah, man, you have enough of the woman, them I say, oh, I'm Matey them want be because I'm Matey get the better treatment. Them say them now want be wife. I have enough woman that say, oh, them want be the wife because at the end of the day, the wife get the better treatment. No care how much good treatment Matey get. Them say, at the end of the day, the wife get the better treatment. And we going to find out if that is true. Based upon what the callers them call in and tell we. Because I know what going out the road there, you know. And I don't know, so this is an outer road show. What we say? Outer road show. Real Mixup and Blenda. We bring it real. We bring it proper. See? Again, between Matey and Wifey, who get the better treatment? That we want to know. And the Matey, them love talk about them not for wash, cook and clean and whatever, this and that. But Wifey say, yeah, but when the will assign, who for you think the for? I be an argument out there. One woman know her wife, she know herself pumpkin. She say, Raga, I don't even call them Matey, you know. I call them helper. Someone say, why? She said them help out. Because Raga, enough time we wife, you know, we don't want the obligation. We have to do this all the time. So if them are help out, them help out. As long as the man come home at night time and think him can go out, go work with the helper. That mad though. Because she basically, no, she just did have help with the housework. Again, between Matey and Wifey, who get the better treatment? I could just knock off them email that what it come from last week. Raga, big up, your show sell off. I know this man was clown out a girl. She a mind out the married man, buy him car, and she don't even have one for herself. Him give him wife the car. What the clown buy him. Then the clown find out say him give him wife it. The clown not go buy a next car for him. And then the clown here say him have triplets. And here the clown. She will mind the babies them. Him work and she no work. And she a mind him. And never get nothing yet. Everything him want, she buy it. And him can angle her like dog, you see. She buy love. Through him a face boy Raga. Now usually me careful enough not to divulge information where Raga identify anybody, but there can't be many triplets in Jamaica. Did this come from Jamaica or abroad? Jamaica. I leave that one there alone. Yeah. Next email. Raga, I have a friend who work in a bar. She there with the owner, she there with him son, and she there with him cousin. I give him start. I have a friend who work in a bar. She there with the owner, she there with him son, and she there with him cousin. The owner married, but she say all him do is use his lips. Anyway, the son now is a proper man and them live together. The cousin, him live a foreign, but him send her some good money. Raga, the son come home one day and catch him father and fix up him girlfriend. She tell the son, say, she was sleeping and the father come and start force himself from her. From that day until today, dear, the son not chat to him father. But what the time? No. Yeah, it's them people are writing. You tell me now. Them people are writing. And come and say, father, fix the business and thing. I know his son going to say, what? And I said, my father forced himself. Boy, you have to love the woman then, but why me I tell you when they go for cold? Cause you can't imagine she all about a ball now, you know. And thing and whatever, you know. And thing. Then him not supposed to can pick up if the father really did a force himself on her. I went I deal with. And thing, and from that day him not chat him father. Cause the son have it see him there. Cause she there. She bunks them quietly, you know. It's a woman in a straight hustle. I used to have the cousin that send her the car. But she work for the father and you don't know herself and she work for the father and the father sort her out. He must have send her too. And if the son thinks hey, him are the up and up man, the one and only, you don't know him a prop up the thing too. Why? Well, you can't call she family Ram. Cause Ram a man. So what you call her your heads? Eh? Family she goat. No, but no, Ruth, we cannot use that word. It's time for...
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it?
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Yeah, man, for can you believe it? To go to one place named Bolzano, Italy. Bolzano, Italy. And yeah, and see that one I know. This a woman here. Pregnant. Soon have baby. Like 9 months pregnant. Someone up there, so 8-9 months pregnant. Both for have baby. 26-year-old woman from Croatia. But she's in Italy. And gone broke house. Not only she a broke house, but then I broke the house and go drop off must several floors up and thing. And when she drop, you know what happened? Complications come, she have to have the baby right there, so. So it's a thieving pregnant woman, end up have baby right. Make her read the precare, cause you don't know anyway day in the world we are bringing to the world. Bolzano, Italy, pregnant burglar breaks waters. Right? And breaks water, you know what that means, water broke. Italian police said a pregnant woman gave birth after she plummeted from a balcony while burgling an apartment. Police said the 26-year-old Croatian woman was treated for bruises as well as her son's birth after she lost her footing while trying to enter a Bolzano, Italy apartment and fell about 12 feet, ANSA reported Friday. They're both doing great after their little adventure, said a doctor at the hospital where the woman was treated. No, eh? Little adventure. Imagine you 8-9 months pregnant. I mean, you really a breed this and gone broke house. And you broke house where you have to climb up. Way up in the air and this and that. At Disney and carelessness, you know. Right? I want to support certain things, you know, because we're not in the man a beat woman thing, but all me a fear baby father though. Where she could have tell me? Eh? Where she could have tell me? You 8-9 months pregnant and gone broke house. And job. I make your water broke at the picnic barn. I'll pour that the picnic now. Him barn on him mama teeth. Eh? When him all reach 1 or 2, him just a thief, son. I say, why? Why? I can't, stop and think him, man. I say, son, you don't worry about it. The story is deep. One day I'll tell you. When I'm 15, I'm in a prison, man. I say, why, man? I say, son, when me have you, a thief, me did a thief, You're born when me a thief. You're born in a thievery. You're born in a thieving. Within your system from the get-go and thing. That the poor baby right now. But thankfully, she and the baby doing quite well. Seeing? Again, woman pregnant, 8 to 9 months pregnant, and gone broke house. I'm place named Bolzano in Italy. And gone broke house. And I climb up all boat and I do nothing better than go drop down. Her water broke right away. Boom! She have to have the picnic right there, so. And them sort her out and thing and carry her go hospital, she and the picnic. But everything is everything. Okay? That was...
Can you believe it?
bop, bop, bop. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing, the real Jamaican thing, the number one entertainment talk show in Jamaica with me, Mr. Mixup and Blenda himself, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. And I don't know, so the topic for the week is who get the better treatment, Matey or Wifey? And we have an email right away come in. Raga, Matey by far get the better treatment. Wife put on a yard like furniture, while Matey a muggle with the man a road. And I get all of the good up treatment. And I get all of the enough spend pan. That body. As a Matey, I get the spend pan. While wife is sitting on a yard like she said put on a yard. She proper this up, put on a yard like furniture. While Matey, I muggle with the man a road. And I get all of the good up treatment and the enough spend pan. See? Who get the better treatment? Matey or wife? To the phone lines we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
That's it, Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, I am this. Hold on, hear me now? Hear me now? Lock off your radio and move away from it now, right? Anybody calling, please, remember that. Try to hold up the show, see, and kill the vibes. Hold on.
Raga!
Yo, lock off your radio now, man.
Lock off, Raga!
How if you lock off and we hear it?
Raga! Raga!
Yo, shot joke. You ramp put the thing, you know. We hear the radio, the delay.
Lock off, Raga! Raga!
Yeah, what you say?
I choose it from Portmore.
Hold on.
Raga, I choose it from Portmore last night.
I was say. Yeah, what I sound good?
Raga, I choose it from Portmore.
Yeah, man, me hear you, man. You not hear me?
I did not hear we up.
Oh, you mean me not hear you now? That one not big enough, man.
I did not hear up, Raga.
Big up the three sisters them from Portmore who come in and on the full of lyrics like, whoa. All right, love you too, sweetie. Are you did I kiss up my neck?
Yes, Raga. Raga, I'm a week now.
I saw it set up.
Yes, big up Sasha, Master, and Raquel from Portmore.
All right, every time here. Yeah. Who get the better treatment, Matey or Wifey?
Matey, of course, Raga, what are you hear about?
Oh.
All the way.
How come Matey get the better treatment? Oh.
That's we the man texted for and we the man want to.
Well, on, when you say we, you are Matey?
Yes, Raga, straight.
You have somebody there with somebody, man. Hello? Yeah, the phone cut off right there, see, but our credit tick they come in and whatever. But you hear, she said we right away. She said we, the man don't take away and whoa. I love this country.
Hello, good morning, Raga.
Good morning, greetings. Hello?
This is Tini from St. Mary, your
All
first
right.
caller. But I just want to say, Matey, get all of the respect.
You too, as a mate, to get better treatment than Wifey.
Yes, Raga.
You're sure, but Wifey, no, but Wifey rating supposed to higher.
Raga, I'm their wife, right, and I yard, and I know some man have a woman out the road, Raga, but I just go and respect it and just go and wall up my thing with it.
What you mean, you go and respect the man with the woman out the road?
But him not this me no way, but she hype up Raga, me have to lick her in her face what they Raga.
What she did the hype up? What she see her what? What she do?
She see me out the road, Raga, and I just have a baby, and me have to lick her right in her face, Raga.
Wait there, how old is your baby?
Him just 2 weeks old.
Are you did a walk with the baby?
Yeah.
And what she do for come and hype up on you? And what she come and go? I said like what? Like what?
Baby now old man again.
Allah. What she had to sing the Lexus song? Pick now old man again. I them think that she go on with. Hello? Why people ever run out of credit, you know? And thing. But what a brightness do the woman and man. No, for real do you know. Some woman on the side, you know. Them go on too much, you know. You can't see the woman with 2 weeks baby and I give it to her them here. You can't imagine. Pick now old man again. If you know where your man there at night time. Now, really, that wicked, that cool. No, for real, some of the mate them hype do, you know. Some of the woman them on the side hype. And some of the wife them, I don't know, some people say the man them for talk to, you know, rather than go step to the mate them. Right, man, I don't know, you see other part. I don't read that one. Man in Raga, don't know if I am a matey or wife, because I do everything for my man, wash, cook, and sort him out. But this man only give me $2,000 to $3,000 every 2 weeks. Ruth, why you laugh? Wait. Why you laugh? Oh, well, Ruth, that laugh that suggests you get more than that. You know? And she said, I have never disrespected this man in no way. This man gives me no attention. I love him, but I know I must get a better man one day and things. So she just did a whole land. But she said she don't know if she a matey or she a wifey and thing. And the call her before, you know. Well, I don't know.
Walk, we say rag soap and water.
So, whoa, what you say? I'm matey now. I'm matey get the better treatment than wifey.
No, man, me have to get the better treatment, man. I want to see
Oh.
Why is you understand and dust and wash and cook, but me to say raw the palav.
Oh, Zen?
Me to say a whole heap of thing. Me to just a sports stuff.
No.
I went to go for dog, I'm off for dog straight when I'm going tired and want to sleep.
But what me I said, though, at the end of the day, in a field, say, the man, some people say, but the man just use the matey for certain things.
No, man, matey can't use because matey now wash no clothes and matey now cook no food at restaurant, she say.
Right, but when still easy, you know. Mad. But what me I say, but you know, some people say just because of the starting out, or as you said, the daggering, seeing, I just, you know, the man really a user because at the end of the day, if him a write him will and all him something, him not left nothing for me, him a leave it for wifey.
Me don't want to pan him will after me and my mother, him family, them, and auntie and cousin. Me don't want to pan him will. Put a write him will and write it all over me, and I have nothing to do with me. For as long as him life, and him have bet in him a straight dagger when me send me a injure myself with him and to in the grave ready for take him.
I was saying, but tell me something I know. But wifey living at the house then, you know. Wifey always there at the house and whatever. Yeah. Matey not have no house. Well, unless me don't know if matey them a get house out there and
we
care.
have a house, man. We have a local house.
Oh.
Bedroom and thing and furniture and place start out and clean and curtain and blow a window.
You see?
But we don't want no house. We don't want him buy the house. We don't want no, so when him come and sing, him come in and him lie down and sing and him pocket roll out and we dagger straight.
You see it?
And him
so you're there for the daggering, so the daggering is important.
Man, the daggering important. Bad, we said dagger straight.
I use a girl, you love your daggering, though?
Yeah, man, bad, man. Me don't know girl, you know, ragga. Me a big man, you know.
You a big man?
Yeah, me a 40.
But why you place so much importance on the daggering, you know?
Because I like it.
You like it? Okay.
Yeah, I like it, bad.
You always love it. You always love it and thing.
Yeah, man, I love it. I like how I love you. Yes, it's Saturday, I see me every day, ragga, I love you, bad.
You see it?
Yeah,
well,
I call up my friend and I make them know say you set the train for the program.
What?
So, Raga, when we listen to you, you know.
Yeah.
We're up there, you know. When we come in, you say I know I beat for go town, you know.
Yeah.
I say I'm reaching a town now, I beat things.
You see it?
Beat things. And them say, lad, 15, go, you listen. I have something to tell them, for them laugh. I just crack up and bun 2 Mataran and go and kill a vibe. You see me?
No, but you see, me just want to rate you for that, you kind of down there doing a look closely and I look at and thing. But to
the one dead man Mackenzie a fighter. We don't know him a fighter for him to build shop. You if him one way for the sidewalk.
What you say? Him not deliver with that?
No, him a fighter for the sidewalk. I'm want to know how him problem. If him never pour before him turn me.
You see it? You know, so me down the tour and when me I walk out, me see a police grab a man and sell bag at the top of King Street and the police in a plain clothes. And me know so they make it illegal, but me I tell you, say it's when me see him hold the man and the man hold on him head and him look on him bag them and thing. And me see say the man no out the road a thief, him not kill nobody and whatever. Him just a try sell him look a bag them for whatever. And me say them a go seize all of them thing they know and hold it. Me I tell him I feel it, man, I feel it.
The rather than a policeman, he locked me up already. After me see me I do the woman here, you know. The money see my scissors the man over the woman here, I locked me up and can't go after 3 court.
So we the
and when me reach by the court step, the policeman tell me $3,000. I say clerk of the court forget $2,000 and forget $1,000 and tell me say enough for going to court.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. That's one of new commissioner here need to lock up some of them. Some of them need to go to prison. Because when them come out in them uniform one time, I pay grab them come report people downtown.
So wait, them a pressure the ear just at them who are do ear and thing?
Well, most of them are flowing up and down with the bucket because them come you see why you sit down Saturday? If they were sit down the start doing the body ear, both the woman we are doing ear and me we are doing the 12 gone at jail.
Oh, Zed. And basically them a say, you have a shop and a pay license, not a pay money.
Yeah, well, we forget from our poor. If we reach you out there. So that them to build the shop and charge we. A week time we pay $1,000. We not pay no more than that $1,000.
So the pressure strong, them relentless, them the pound the case all the while.
Yes, them the pound case enough time like Maclan, but you see someday you have some nice one, you know.
Yeah.
We make us sit down, you know. But you have one when you're Mr. Bailey entire like line stick. I know more often never inspect time I go turn our brigadier. Every morning him come and have a problem with the people them on the road.
What you say entire like line stick?
Entire like
why? Where Tambourine? I want the Tambourine there.
Every morning him come and have a problem with me. But it we bleach.
Yeah.
Our brother, our ear pretty, our face pretty. Every morning him come and have a problem like him have selfies. Like him have one over there, selfies for dancing on foot. Every morning him come with a flower out in the road with a flower up and down.
So Christy, you are Matey? You are Matey or your wife?
No, I don't know why thing and the mate thing right now. Because I didn't be a father, me and him left.
Yeah.
But it's right now, I can't about it for my own, because I can't finance myself.
Yeah.
I see some of the man, some of them are real crosses.
What make you say so? Like how?
Yeah, man. Some of them, man, let me tell you something. You see, you have some man in a Raga.
Yeah.
But them not say you're going to go land out to your own, and them want to come play around.
Oh, Zed.
When them come say, oh, start out to one thing.
Yeah.
Like them want to come take a sleep. I mean, you know that, you know.
They want to come take up residence and come live off a late charge for you, don't?
Yes, you have to pay. They go to a public, the doctor, I tend to you.
Yeah.
You know, water assistant, I know. Nurse.
Oh, you know them thing there?
No, because every day I have to touch work for my own.
You see it? Some man want to come lazy up the thing and just like, careless up the thing. And take your things. But that you say some man want to do nowadays.
Yes, but me not depend that. Me have to touch the road.
Well on. Big and serious. What you say? It a increase out there now. The man them wanna want to work and nothing but a look woman for text it pan them things and them things.
Yes, text it pan them and come and the mouse come lie down in them bed and them cook food give them. But me not depend that in a Raga. Kind of boy now get my money, you know. Cause me never grow come see my father and my mother. Me come see them apart.
Okay, you see it.
So me have to work for my own. So if a boy knows, say you have to Christine, you say Christine with your $1,000, your $500, even your check. But try it not bounce. If it bounce, you go to jail and I mean.
You see it. So when you say you just a juggle by your own right now and thing, you do your thing and you get your dagger in when you want your dagger in.
Yeah, when me want my dagger in, I go for my dagger in.
You see it.
But me don't live in thing with no boy in my house.
Okay, but then tell me something. Then who you dagger with now? Dagger with my dagger with somebody else too.
Well, me not be so who my dagger with, you know. Then I have nothing to do with me, you know. Cause it's just pass me a pass to, you know. Me not pitch nothing.
Then that no mean say you're Matey then?
No, I'm gonna tell myself that I'm Matey, you know.
Oh, then?
Yeah, cause me not look. Me not look for all up my time to say, yeah, me slung in a Matey seat.
I was saying.
You know, like sometimes you get a little hurricane in a Jamaica and one time you get a little breeze and the tree blow down.
Yo, Christy, you're the boss. Never know. What we say, it's all about Princess Street, Christine and Melissa, and all of the women them who are do here, who out there hustler, make them look money, them not going to rob and a thief nobody, and under pressure from the police them down there and still out there do them thing. All of my downtown link, what we say, strength to the link, Christine, Melissa, all of the here women them to the world. All right, now what, yo? My father back here do Sunday,
No, man, me don't come yesterday, the Raga.
Yeah.
But you see, to me wake up late.
Yeah.
And me I say I wash and I cook. And me I tell you, me ignorant all time. You must know me go to my bed from 8 o'clock.
Yo.
I don't mean that.
You see it.
Because me ignorant, because me have my money and my taxi fee. If I take up my taxi, I come park up in a backyard like me and Mr. British. Because me ease, me don't come in and I tell you I have your eyeglasses.
You ease your talia and your eyeglasses, you say?
Why you don't laugh till you weak?
Wait, what?
I like you, big up your program and I watch nothing.
All right, we have your digit.
Nobody wants to look for nobody, because you see when you're striving in life, you're going to find a cockroach. All type of things about you, but just go on live because poor people love you.
All right, then, enough respect here.
Oh, you mean, I'm big up root to where I drive the chair in. I'm on the time, and I'm like, I should drive the chair, you know.
All right, Christy, we shout you here.
Yeah.
Stay up on the line, Root attack to you. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Raga?
Yeah, how are you there?
Oh, I'm here to talk to.
Yeah, man, how are the nice back of you?
You know, so I can't wash me there, listen, I wash out my car.
How are my kid?
When I feel like the man, let me ask some question there, because Some of them women are talking about me to get better treatment. Them don't know how the wife I get treated.
Them don't know how the wife I get treated.
Them don't know about that. Them not there to know your woman live.
Oh, Zane.
And them are the only thing out there with the wife now.
Oh, Zane.
So sometimes that's why man have to visit them.
Oh, you mean... Okay,
so
go
tell them to talk. What? Let them tell them get better treatment.
I don't hear what you say.
Them to talk. What make them tell them get better treatment?
Oh, you want the woman, if them say me to get better treatment and them say them are me to them say why them get better treatment?
What make them assume so them get better treatment?
But what you say, who you think get the better treatment? You sound like
then
you
think...
What?
The wife don't must get better treatment, man.
I say, but explain it how the wife get the better treatment then.
Then of course, while speaking to myself then,
yeah.
most man.
Yeah.
Things that you do for your wife, you're not going to do it for a girl out the road, man. Because most girl out the road, that's the man, they're only for man, them having, and the man not going to play. You know, so you there to hold now, knowing it's a woman, but then I go on like him, my wife up and love up, you know.
Oh, Zane. So you say, it sound like you say a bit, well, you not sound like, but you say a better man, you know, call in and talk on that.
Yes, that's a recommendation. That them can't know that.
Oh, Zane.
Because the man, the real man, now got chat him in woman with no woman around.
Oh, so you say the mate to them now go get the full 100 then, but how the man really treat the wife?
No, that can't happen.
Him not go do that. Oh, but see what you say.
Your wife not some man that intend to divorce or whatever.
Okay. So to him now. So to him now give me to the full 100 and thing. Me thinks that she get better treatment than the wife. But the man not really make sure know where I go on.
She don't know where I go on. Me have to chat as your woman with a girl.
So you think in general though the wife get the better treatment than Matey?
Yeah, man.
And you said that as a man. Yeah.
Them just feel like sexual man and link them up and them make two flex. Goddess go to the movie and go. Wife go all about same way so.
You see it.
Wife go all visas are foreign sometimes. Them not going to go down for crash road.
Them not going to wear more than where?
Them not going to go down probably airport. Them meet a man when they not come. That's why if you make them come there.
Well, yes, sir. Wife have the visa for go foreign, but Matey just got for go airport. Yo, that mad, my dopes, that mad. But you good, though.
Yeah, man.
All right. Respect for the listening, yeah?
Yeah, bless up.
Yeah, man. All right, my king. Protection, here.
Bless.
Yo, we want to say big up to the coffee board workers for Marcus Garvey Drive, especially Carol. Enough respect, see? And somebody I say we must remember, we are talking about the can you believe it this morning, where the woman 8 to 9 months pregnant and gone broke house and I climb up all board upon the house and drop on her water break and have the pitney there with her careless self and thing, even if she rob on her teeth, but she got her teeth when she 8 to 9 months pregnant. And when I said that the pitney there born in her teeth, and I can imagine what kind of crosses are going to reach him right now. And what we have said, what the person here says that Tupac Shakur was born in prison while his mother was arrested for shoplifting. Again, Tupac Shakur, a prison in band when they arrest his mother for shoplifting. And you see how Tupac they turn on gangster and the whole 9 and thing. And born, live as a gangster and dead as a gangster and thing. So him born in it and dead in it. Phone line thing, proper thing, morning.
Hello?
Greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
What going?
You not there?
Bobby,
where you say?
Yo, me rate that man that will just come up on the radio. Know where my talk about.
Why you say that?
Because, yes, you have some woman, me not telling a lie. Sometimes, yes, you have some mate out the road will get better treatment. Me was mate one time. I'm used to there with enough married man. I get better treatment more than enough one. But as the man just said a while ago, some mate don't know where woman or wife and husband live a yard.
You see it?
You understand? Because certain woman, certain mate where you have some man who go road, yes, them husband can't bring certain mate to go house because wife dead. Them have to go hotel or them have to stay at fair yard. You understand?
Yeah. So, but what you agree with what him said, though, that the mate to them not really know how the wife I get treatment? You believe that?
Well, as me say, when me did that with certain married man, me used to get better treatment. So me now I got bring down certain matey or some matey. You understand what me I say?
Yeah.
Me have a next door neighbor. And me tell you, you have some matey and you have some wife but want to sit down here like so them a furniture, like so them depend lay away.
Yeah.
Them want to stay home and wash clothes and cook and get kick and box down with man. And me have a neighbor beer that she get the other day. She tell her husband say she go one party, her baby cousin party. And them have to take the baby clothes and fair clothes and lock up and hide up him. Me say you are idiot because you want him do that. Him kick her down and box her up and put her out and the same day him kick and box her down. She move him by the same night. And so him kick her so him beat her so she move him. Then they idiot thing. So you have a wife where I get better treatment. By the end of the day, the husband have to come home to the wife. Anything happen to the husband or the wife, I get it.
Anything happen to the husband or the wife, I get it.
Yeah, anything what happen at the wife. By the end of the day, as you said earlier, any will I sign, I offer name or upon it.
No, but you hear one of the caller them said them not business about will. That in other words, you say mate not concerned about them thing. The way you mate it.
Business.
What you say them should have business.
Yeah, them should have business.
Cause what you think say if
money,
them not business, them I get.
Money and sorting out is not all. Money and sorting out is not all because that's how some husband and some man I run go to for matey just sorting out.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Wife I get everything, loving, better treatment, everything.
No, but give an example. Well on. Give us some example of certain things where wife get, where mate get, where you can say, no, that better. You know, because wife I get this and this better than what mate. Give us some example of that. Hello? Hello? Oh, we lose the connection right there, sir. Interesting argument to evolve right there, you know, just like I thought. Between the wife and the mate, who get the better treatment? Wifey or matey? Make I read that email. Or morning, Raga, it looks like great minds think alike. Because I was at work and I was just thinking about the topic and text you when I heard you read the email. And you say you can't read out the topic because it was in the middle of the week. Exactly, I remember this. And it was for next week topic. I was so surprised. But you know, some of them mate here will call thinking them are the wife and say wife if you get wife and say wife you get the better treatment. I look at me here and matey and me know say wife you get better treatment but she a wear the ring but a me a carry the swing. She a wear the ring but a me a carry the swing and that matey I say morning. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
Listen now, Biggie. In everything it's vice versa, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes the man and the woman at the yard where say wife, sometimes go to love for she and love the other woman we meet on the road.
What you mean?
Listen, all right. Say, for instance, you have your wife in your yard, right?
Yeah.
You meet another girl, you're not feeling to the wife, you start to see the girl yard now because man tell woman all kind of story and I have to work over honey and all of them foolishness there.
Yeah.
And then again, the man can just have the matey, not man don't give them mate, do them the woman on the side, no money at all. I'll trick you because 500 man get 1,000, I tell you no money, rather.
You see it?
So, and then now, when the mate you know, for instance, rather, my real father in the other woman.
Yeah.
When me and him get in, the woman tell me say she and him there.
Yeah.
And she's her man.
Right.
When me ask him tell me beer store, rather, no go so.
See it?
Every time I see the woman I say yes. I'm going to say, so me turn to say for your man, every night I me and see put the man in the raga.
Oh, is it?
Beer coming up in here.
You see it. So when we
come up here, the woman have to come out of the picture, everything. So, yes, he said, sometimes the mate to take over and sometimes the woman at the yard.
I see what you say. It's like sometimes it's like, say, at some time the wife can go turn the matey. Right. And at some time the matey get the treatment for wifey. Yeah. So is that a good point you're making up? Because what you say is the way we are reasoning it out is that the wife gets treatment in a certain way constantly and the matey get treated constant in a certain way. But you are saying it is not necessarily like that. That the thing can flip up certain times depending on what go down and how the man feel and all them things they don't think.
Not enough time girl I'll flip up and say man I give them the world and man I give them no. Them just a flip and I say them there the man today with the man and them can't say them there the man because the man name a caller. The man is a hype man and them not get no treatment. And
well for example what me I say is like me your argument out there and the wife will say him come on my yard at night time every night. But then the mate will say, yeah, him go my yard, but him spend more time with me. Right? And then with something like that, you say, who I get the better treatment? That's all. Because one could make an argument, say if the man really has spent more time, way more time with the matey, then that is probably evidence. Say, I see I get the better treatment.
More time with the matey, yes. Maybe one time he had that work, so if him go home, he not have no time to so because she gone work or do something else. Then just go and kill the time with the matey till the wife come on him, go home.
No, but you have some man who love spend way more time with them outer woman, man. And just come home and eat food, go bed and whatever, and him still sleep. But the point I make it.
Man serve no purpose because he can't cook for the man. So
your credit at. Yeah.
What is saying that have a man and you can't cook female or no? What is saying?
No,
you just want a sort out, sir?
No, but the matey them say them no want no cooking and cleaning and taking care of the man.
They have to cook everything and start.
No, but in the year of Christy says some matey just want the dagger ring and the man saying on the Kyle or what.
Christina fool girl there.
No, Christina not fool girl. Cool, just cool. Me have to defend. No, Biggie, Christina not fool girl. Christina, my brother.
Here for change and clothes for change and everything.
Yeah. So what you say? What Christine said right?
No right at all.
No, but she not fool girl here.
Alright.
Me rate her them way they saying she do her thing and her thing, but she have to defend her because I'm insisting, But what you say, you can if you have a man, you're supposed to take care of the man.
Right.
Okay, me swear I say Biggie. Alright, protection here.
Yeah.
Boy, the thing I get pepper here. The thing I get pepper here for real. For real, the thing I get pepper. But it's an interesting point Biggie making. So it's not a constant on either side. And I like wife just I get straight, wife treatment and matey I get straight, matey treatment. Is that the thing can get mixed up sometime. Sometimes the wife cannot get more rating than the matey. Sometimes the matey I get more rating than the wife, depending on what go on in other people in life. You see, Yans? I saw the thing I set up. But the other thing, when me I say, Yans, you have some woman will say, them get the ratings because the man come home at night time, right? So based on Jamaican culture, what I say, if the man come home at night time and sleep at the yard at night time, it means that him respect the woman and him come on whatever this and that, whatever. However, one of the argument the mate to them make is, him may go home at night time because the mate will say, then him not go home because of me send him home, right? They will say them look at thing there. But the other argument they make is, me don't want him sleep at my yard, but him spend more time with me. So when me I ask you now, Yans, as a man, if the man go home at night time, but spend more quality time with the outer woman, the matey, with that particular situation right there, so who I get the better ratings? May I ask you? One, him go home every night, but he must spend more time. Well, I turn on the mic for a second. No, cool your hands. Help me, no, man. Come on the mic and tap your foolishness, man. Yeah? Well on. All right. Well on. When about to write, nothing. What you write for? You scribe? All right. So if the man go home at night time and sleep with the wife, every night him go home, However, when him there road, a matey him spend the most of the time with, right? But you have some wife, I said, because him come home at night time, it means at them have the ratings. And they have the matey, I said, because him spend more time with her, I see who you say have the better rate. I get the better treatment and the higher ratings there. So, oh, matey. Interesting. Eh? Well, read that email and take a break? Yeah, read that email. Raga morning. I heard two ladies arguing once about who the man belonged to. The wife said, and me the man want, cause I me live at the house. And I'm me have him kids. And I'm my picture in the phone. I love them argument. The other woman said, whatever, ask your kids what. Hold on. Okay, no. Okay, let me read this right. Raga morning, I heard two ladies arguing once about who the man belonged to. The wife said, I me the man want, because I me live at the house, and I me have him kids, and I my picture in the phone. Then the other woman said, whatever, ask your kids who them call mommy. Yo, that mad. The kind of say, Raga, I'm nearly dead. Big up Kennedy and Kenisha, bless. You can't, that mad. You can't imagine that. And I meet a cuss a woman and say, yo, you don't have no ratings, because you pity them call you mama, but them call me mommy. Yo, we want a break. We're so forward. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, and people don't know the thing set up, Them time up on a Monday, we go to a Monday feature, what we call Taxi Ray Ray. So we're asking to hold off for the phone line, because we're going to bounce it back around 10:45 or so upon the topic. But right now, Taxi Ray Ray. And of course, Taxi Ray Ray is where we talk to a taxi operator or a taxi passenger about some interesting event that they have experienced, while, in a taxi. And the reason why we have this feature, why I bring up this feature, is that the car thing, enough up in a Jamaica, a whole heap of taxi out there. And with the whole heap of taxi and the transporting will go on and thing, you have a whole heap of Mixup and Blenda go on in a taxi area. You don't know this is the real Mixup and Blenda show. That's why we bring the thing that we're there. All right. This morning, we're going to talk to Princess. We're going to talk to Princess this week and next week, because Princess has nothing for talk about and thing. But Princess is a female taxi operator and thing. So we want to hear what some of the experiences of a female taxi operator, go through and thing. And morning, Princess. Princess.
Yeah, morning.
What you say, Princess?
But I said nothing.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Well, we just want to boom bang a roll in on the Ragashanti live program, proper thing. Wants enough respect for that, Zane.
Okay.
Yeah, but we are here to say you have a dopey experience. You
yeah, me have a dopey experience a long time ago.
You sure? What did happen? What did happen?
Hello?
Yeah, man, we are here. Yeah, what did happen?
Yeah, I dopey experience a long time ago because we don't really do the taxi thing as one first time. I do little nursing job and hard and half,
Yeah. But what was the dopey thing?
All right, couple years ago, when we used to drive a ladder car.
Yeah.
And I was coming on Windward Road that night. It was at Christmas.
Windward Road?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was at Christmas. And I saw a man and woman with a baby wrapped up in her hand. And the woman not talking. She in a song like this. So, man come to me and said to me, say, I can't carry them, take by them by St. Joseph Hospital.
St. Joseph Hospital. That's how you're on Windward Road now?
Yes.
All right.
And the lady in the car home the song, and we did dance for the song.
Well, on, so you pick them up?
Yes, pick them up.
The man, the woman, and the baby?
Yeah, pick them up.
And the woman still at home the song?
Yeah, me hum it to them and
I
rock.
Then about what time at night this?
About after 2 o'clock or so.
In the morning?
Yes.
So a dark night thing this?
Yes, that time I was attached to Unique Taxi Company.
All right then, yeah, go on time.
And when I reach right where the police station is on Mountain View,
yeah.
I call, I hear, I feel a cold breeze coming at the car to me. And by the time I turn around and said to the people, they said, Lord, you feel the breeze? I don't see nobody at all in the car.
I lie, you tell anything can go so.
Yeah, man, call
You're serious?
Taxi Company. Call Unique Taxi Company and ask them.
You're serious?
Yes. So, what I do now, I was still driving and I said, no, this really look funny. So, I take up the radio and I call Unique Taxi Company and I call my number and I said to them to number 4. Right now, I'm presently at the corner South Camp Road where traffic court is at the stoplight. I feel like I'm going to faint at blackout.
Well on. But you did go up Mountain View?
You said my signs are then gone,
Yeah, you drive, where do you cut cross up on Langston Road?
Yes.
And go through Deanery there and go over. I reach on a South Camp now, traffic court,
and
on
I
the
reach
Armand
that-
Barracks there, yeah.
Yes, I feel like me a blackout.
Yeah.
And I call the taxi company and tell him my experience and tell him what happened to me and where me is. And by the time the taxi company to reach where me is, about 5 to 6 radar car they behind me them flash up because I mean I didn't go the road now.
Yeah.
So them was telling the police them the experience that me gained. So it seemed like the police duppy blacked me out.
Then what if you did that go through? What if you did like delirious? You did that smoke weed and time?
Me not smoke for the day me born, me not drink.
You never drink or smoke weed?
No, not for the day me born.
You did well hungry or something?
No, me not hungry.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure.
And you never take nothing what that make you hallucinate or anything like that?
No man, nothing at all, nothing.
So the dopey them take your taxi and say them a go, where them say them did I go?
St. Joseph Hospital.
St. Joseph Hospital. But it sound like they come off out of Mountain View.
They come up with the Mountain View to the police
But
station.
it sound like them never want to pay.
They don't pay no fear
They
neither.
don't. Why? Them don't pay them clearly see them want to pay.
They don't pay no fear.
My God! Why? Some people, all when them dead and gone a dopey world, them still a keep up their arms out, see? I know them should have pay you the fear. They tell me something, so I'm supposed them to pay you the fear. Then them disappear. What you da do with the money?
Well, if they pay me the fear, it should have just put me in the mind of Kendall crash.
Oh, wow.
When the one, the daughter and the girl, them go to the grandmother and ask them for the taxi man fear.
Me don't know about that. How that go?
Yeah, man, in a Kendall crash, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, so when the
All right. Me know where you at. We can't touch a one. You know how things set up, you know?
the lady take the taxi.
Yeah.
And go to the gate and say to the grandmother, say, Grandma, we died in the Kendall crash. So the taxi man carry home, but we don't have any fear. So the grandmother come out and give them the taxi fare.
Where is a 3 woman take a taxi?
Yeah, but 3
and
girls,
the taxi
the
man.
grandmother was warning them before they go on the trip. So they mustn't go.
And you said that the 3 girl then come out and tell them grandmother said them dead in a Kendall crash.
They want them taxi fare.
And the grandmother must go pay the taxi man for them.
Yes.
Yeah, and you think that something like that did really happen?
Yeah, you have a time in the year where them something that come in the paper.
Okay, but you see when the dopey topic come up, because the dopey topic scheduled down the line and it come up soon, we have to call you back, man. We have to call you back. But them dopey they take a taxi and not pay you. All right, Princess, here's the plan. We're going to shout you back next week, yeah?
Yes, and something more they come up with.
Yeah, man, because we're going to make you rinse it next week, yeah?
All right.
Okay, that was Princess Insider for a Monday feature called Taxi Ray Ray. We're going to have a break right now, and when we come back, we'll go back to the phone line so people address the topic of the week, which is between Wifey and Matey. Who get the better treatment? Soon come. Yeah, welcome back up in the thing, and I don't know it's set up saying. What we are say? This is the #1 entertainment talk show, the real Jamaican sin thing. With me, Mr. Mixup An Blenda himself, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all Massive and crew. Big respect to my Agostone family. On the don't know, Bryce Large Up, Judgment Yard, a.k.a. Color Red, Rockers River, Goldsmith Villa, Angola, Vumdong/Vietnam. Jungle 12, River Massive, enough respect, blessings, and maximum large up to the whole Hermitage crew. Beaumont Road, I used to live. Now watching nothing, man, blessings and respect. What say Standpipe, Proper Thing, Papi Massive, Kintyre, Garden Town, Mavis Bank, Elisa Flats, Common, Mona Command up there, so large up on the large up, everything is everything. Kalalo Bed, what we say, CVO, Boom Bang, man, Riverton City, yeah? New Haven, do Henny Park, Patrick City and Washington Garden and thing. Saying enough respect to all Massive and crew and thing. Yeah, I'm going to get to fabulous people on a large up cars and I don't know. Big up my uptown people who always listen to the show. Big up my middle class, upper middle class or upper class people who always lock in and listen and thing. I want to say blessings and respect to you. Big up my country people saying. Big up my Mile Gully St. Mary people yeah. Miss Cherry Country up there, sir. My mama country up there, sir. Big up Peggy and Marcel and the whole family and thing. Big up Shuna Farron and Nadina Farron. Yeah? Big up everybody up in a Mile Gully St. Mary. She said Jessica Gale, Araka Bessa, I get and thing. Blessings and respect. To the phone line, we go proper thing. Matey or Wifey, which one get better treatment? Morning.
Hello?
Greetings.
Wifey, of course.
Marissa! Why you say Wifey get better treatment? Marissa! We see on the show last night, I had it hot up.
Supposed to look like that.
That's right. You look good, girl, last night, man. Proper thing. Are you take care of yourself or your man to take care of you?
What? Wait, sir. Me
We say if you take care of yourself, are you make you look so good or your man make you look so good?
Me look so
are you
good.
make
You take this thing. People know so wife you have to get the better treatment than me because me to know nothing where I go on here or whatever. Me can go to my man bank book anytime. Me I get better loving. Me every time everything I just all about me. She also get whining and nothing more. She I get the whining and me I get the dining, so it's not a problem.
You sure about that though?
The positive about
no, but a lot of matey will tell you say, you know, the thing them where you just as how you can make the argument say mate, hold on. Just as how you can make the argument say mate, you know our wife really the treatment to wife really I get. I see me one could make the argument say wife and I really know the treatment to mate really I get because I see some mate go out there and get some man sort them out properly, treat them good and thing.
All of them.
No,
but me know so whether me pay a wife roll and mate roll me I get the better treatment. So me never worry.
What you say you're good like that? Whether you're mate or wife, are you gonna get the better treatment?
Me know so I'm well competent in that area.
Okay.
I worry myself about those things, man.
Okay.
So that's what I said. Oh, I know this guy was beside me last night, although I was with my significant other, but he was there. He said he listens to the show every day or whatever. I want to big him up. His name is Craig. Big up yourself.
All right, big up Craig. All right. So you did that. Wait, Craig did like you?
I don't know.
No, but if your best guess is what? That because you never just said, I don't know, you know, you said, I don't know. So when me ask you quietly, you think Craig did kind of, you know them way the man attack you, but you know them.
A gentleman, yeah.
He was all right. Yeah. But your man did that beside you?
Yeah, he was.
Okay, and Craig did that talk up to you?
Yeah, I was like, you're conversating with him and everything.
Okay. Were you
my boyfriend's a very nice guy, you know. He understands everything. You know his role or whatever, so he don't make people.
Him not fussy on certain things I get to.
Him not fussy, because we won't be going crazy over you. If him the fussy, he wouldn't make.
Do we what?
We won't be going crazy over you and whatever. If him the fussy, then Bobby tell you that you would come there with me or whatever.
I was saying, well, I say I understand the thing then. I'm cool. I know, say you're not violate or disrespect him in any way.
Like he's easy to talk to and he's a very, very nice person or whatever. So.
But you are saying general, wife get the better treatment over matey.
No, you see, what's this? Biggie said it vice versa sometimes, you know, because sometimes if like, the man have problem at house or whatever,
yeah,
the matey will get the better treatment, you know, like he say or whatever. But I can't say how everything all perfect and your man I will go out and give the better treatment. That is just not possible. I don't
no, man, some mate out there, man, them straight blind, said the times have changed. Because one time it was standard, you know, so mate, a wife get the better. Because you remember one time constantly war in a dance. You know, who are really the wife and everybody did want to be wife. I find it fascinating, you know, that there's a lot of women now. Some people don't realize how dramatic a change this is, you know. That there's a lot of women right now I say you're lucky, me want to be the mate and I own up matey status. Yeah. And don't you hear it out there?
Yeah, because like, you know, I know this one of my aunts is with a married man or whatever. And let the man be a problem. The wife don't do nothing at all for him whatever, and he complain to me auntie and whatever, and he see me auntie want him again, said we and everything alright. So, but most of the time, every chance when he can get him I will stay with me until the matey. He don't want to go home then at all because things he's not comfortable there or whatever. So I say most likely when there's something like that, something right at home, either the starting out no good or the wife is just no fun to be around or something, you understand?
Okay.
Something wrong. Either she not communicate good, she not start him out good, she not clean up in place good, she not do something good for him.
Okay.
Why that the man will be a talk about no. The wife does not start out and the wife not look so attractive to him anymore or whatever.
Okay.
In a different direction. So comes the mate, you know.
Wait, you said the wife pop down now?
Yeah, so comes the waiter again. But like when if me and my man if him figure out money or whatever, she have to ask him or them have to do whatever to get it. But me know in bank book, then me know everything about it. If anything happen to him, me can take it up and go a bank or drive. Me mind him upon him health card, me up in everything. When she up in just starting out.
No, but me say you have to careful. You have to careful.
Hold
Hold on. Me say you have to careful with that because you say you know when bank book there. But when me say a simple look go around with that is that them have a separate bank book for matey.
Well, that can't make me know about nothing about that. That's all me have to say.
Why say if you know about anything about that, what? Straight
war. That enough fit to the ear, darling dear.
All right, Marissa, enough respect here.
All right then.
Okay. Yeah, man, every time. Okay, email. Raga, let me tell you straight up. Say, I don't know. Only get better bed treatment and most time them hungry. Oh, she skip out the matey. So. Raga, let me tell you straight up, say, but I don't know, Ruth, comment me with this. I don't know who she's referring to here, if it's the wifey or the matey. Let me tell you straight up, say, she skip out something else, but it's only get better bed treatment and most time them hungry and willing to take a few tuppence for them work up. The man not giving up them. Okay, I'm matey shut about it. So I'm reading. Raga, let me tell you straight up, say, matey only get better bed treatment and most time them hungry and willing to take a few tuppence for them work out. The man not giving up them wife a yard. Them there with them wife through thick and thin. For me man burn me. And days and weeks of apology after me find out. I'ma let it slide. When me see how him start showing the same pattern, I pack him bag one morning and dash it on top of the BM. On top of the BM? Must say the BMW. I'm not into the boasting about wife and man. Man forget discipline. I broke a buckle and remind him say I come from ghetto and it not leave me when I move out. None of way no get no better treatment. Only the man them get it. Love your Raga, yeah, go on. Oh. So what she said, neither the mate nor the wife get the better treatment. At the end of the day, the man I get the better treatment. Well, an interesting insight into the matter right here. Auntie. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
Well, go on, Raga, me I tell you, say, me I play a role I want mate right now, Raga. Me I get my proper sorting out, Raga.
Right, you get your proper sorting out.
Of course, Raga. You see my man, Raga, him no day. You understand me? I say him live on one little island, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Yes, when him a send me money, Raga,
yeah.
me go up on Friday, and the girl will live a yard, she have to go up on Saturday, Raga. Everything and me come first. Me have him a week, Raga.
Okay. So what you say? When money come, you go up on Friday and she go up on Saturday.
So you Raga. So me come first, me get my proper starting out, Raga. Me have to look good and thing, Raga. Tell you, Raga.
When you say you get your proper starting out, who you refer to? The one where they are foreign?
Yes, Raga, him no live there, no, him go and come. You understand him like come, Raga, him come and him girl they live a yard, not even know, so him come and spend all a weekend with me, Raga, and gone back when him ready, Raga.
Oh, for real?
For real, Raga, me I tell you, say, me don't know about nobody in a Raga, but me know about me. For me, in a matey position, me get my proper starting out, me come first, Raga.
Okay, and sometimes people don't know, because the way you starting out, you now refer to just the bed thing, you're talking general,
right? No,
right?
Everything, Raga. Yeah. Raga.
But you know you get everything. You get everything.
Raga, because here, Raga, me have a friend over there where him there in a Raga, and he must say, my girl, they have him weak. Anything where you do, just continue do it. Me say, no, me not just the goodness for me have. You understand?
You see it. So what, you sure say you will get better treatment than her?
Of course, Raga. Yes, when him there, Raga, him not gonna wait that the girl there in a Raga. Everywhere him I go, I just me and him. Sometimes me tired, Raga. Sometimes I want to ask him, say, well, I'm not tired, girl, a yard, Raga.
But when I ask you something then, if he must spend so much time with you,
yes,
and
Raga,
enjoy you so much, and like you say, he must put more resources into you. You will get
Raga.
most of the things them. Why me even like I maintain the relationship with the other one then?
Because I'm baby mother, Raga. The girl has fitness theme, Raga. I can't just break it like that. But Raga, if me want it for done, Raga, I can done. You understand?
Well, and you said
anytime which part in there, she can go. As well the man say, Matey got airport and the other way around. Matey can go foreign and the wife got airport, Raga.
You said the other way around?
Yes, Raga.
Because the man say wife go foreign and Matey only go airport, but you say Matey go foreign and wife go airport.
Yes,
Right,
Raga.
Right, Tambourine. Why? Well, hold on there. But when me I say, you say she have 2 pitney film, right?
Yes, Raga.
But you are say any day you want him to left her. You can't make him left her.
Yes, Raga, because he must say, I just me forgive it, okay. But Raga, me no want that to happen. Me understand him and say, if me just come into the picture, Raga, and say certain things, Raga, I have a youth theme, Raga, me gone clear. But no, Raga, me not that I can't pick me now, old man again. But if me do that, Raga, me gone to the world.
For real?
Yes, Raga.
So wait, so you go just maintain the side status where you have right now?
Yes, Raga.
You go just maintain the side status where you have?
Yes, Raga, because here one, me not going to really have no youth film because me don't get the treatment when me want already. You understand, Raga? Weekly me go Western Union, Raga, weekly.
And but, you know, I like what kind of money, ma? Good money him send for you?
Of course, Raga, because a big work him have over there, Raga, and can't send no little money come
like
him, Raga.
Like what, so? Like how improper you?
Raga, you know how much money me get weekend?
How much?
Send 150 US come give me, Raga. I got one party last night. I tell you, me and my friend them going, Raga, my friend them broke. A day spending me after I do, Raga.
So what, him sending like 150 US every week?
Not every week him send that, Raga, but that me get weekend, Raga.
That you get weekend, guy?
Yes.
But some people might hear that and say that's not really a portion of money still.
But, Raga, me I tell you, say, for me, Raga, it's a portion of money. You understand? Because a man within 2 penny and sometimes me get more than that, Raga. If him not there, him not know what me I do. You understand, Raga?
Okay.
Me have a next man from the side, but him still a send on. You understand, Raga?
Okay, so you have another man out here?
No, Raga, me not have a next man right now, but him not know when me out here do for you send on too much money. Me I tell you, Raga, you see, anytime that the
Well, real quickly, we have to go, but basically you say you know what, have no pitney film because you done get what you want. So,
Yes, Raga,
in other words, if you did have pitney film, you'd have it for make sure some can treat you a certain way, right?
Not really, Raga, not really that, Raga.
Okay. All right, but respect for the link here.
All right, Raga.
Strength every time. Mixup and Blenda, big up. Big up to the helper. Who the woman hire. And the helper walk and tell everybody say she are the wife and the woman are the mate. You know, we don't call names around here with certain things, you know. We just run them. Mixup and Blenda, big up. Big up to the helper. Who the woman hire you and give you work. I know you walk and tell people say, you are the wife. And the woman who hire you, who wear the ring, you tell people say, she are the mate, because you're good like that. Why you say you're a real helper, you really a LP? Go see up on the iron board. Anyway, to the 4 lines we go between Wifey and Matey. Who get the better treatment? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Anyway, so the topic now, I tell us a wife is straight.
Wifey get better treatment than Matey?
Of course, wifey get better treatment than Matey. I'm tell you something.
Yeah.
I know one of my friend, you know. She and Matey, and I tell her, so she used to collect money. She used to collect phone card and send out 3 times for the day, you know.
Yeah.
To get phone card and beer thing, you know.
Yeah.
So when time wifey find out about it now, wifey decide to put it on 3-way, call for her husband plus call the mate. And guess what the husband have to say?
Yeah.
Like the girl, whatever. She said, Matey, why you not come out and be my wife live? You don't know, say at the end of the day, the wife will get the better treatment.
The man attack up the things them
no, but the man, you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
A wife will get the better treatment because I'm going to tell him, the Matey to come out and him and him wife life. Because at the end of the day, you don't know, say the wife is straight. Because
so what you are saying is, not care how the man treat the mate good. If push come to shove and the attack claps come down and wifey go all face it to them, you say, no man nah give up him wifey link for the mate.
Give up him wifey for Matey.
Him nah put the mate over the wifey right there, so.
Me see wifey and husband go dance and Matey there. And husband don't know, say him can't go up on the Matey and say, him can't go side of the Matey and nothing, because him know say I straight lick down that, you know.
No, but a lot of wives say that. Me hear woman, ghetto woman say that in particular, say, them know them man are going with things, you know, but them say, yes, say when me and them, them say when them and the man and the husband go out and the straight up man go out and things, she say, all girl on the side of all them corners.
Them of all them corners when we
see it. Argument out there why a lot of women, you ever hear, you hear it? You hear woman out there say them want to be the matey, them don't want to be the wifey?
No, me want me wife straight.
No, but hold on. May I ask?
Them know, but I mean people are gonna
Hold on. May I say if you hear woman I say them things out there too.
Say what?
Say them want to be matey, them don't want to be my wife.
Everybody want to be wifey.
What you hear is that everybody want to be wifey.
Well, most of them when we hear say a wifey.
You never hear no woman that say them don't want to be wifey yet and forgot within a responsibility, them just want to be matey. You never hear that yet?
No, sir.
Okay.
Me have a friend. Me have another friend.
Yeah.
Me tell her say our husband he drive a bus, right?
Yeah.
And me tell her say him have only a woman apart from she, but when time she hear about it, even if one of the mates in the car front, when time wife come, she have to come out of that.
She have to run out of that.
Run out of that and give wife her seat. What happened to her?
Okay, so you are say across the board, in general, wife, at the end of the day, them get the better treatment than matey.
At the end of the day, them get the better treatment.
Okay, so this argument with the mate them out there talk about, I said them get the better. You said nothing no go so.
No go so.
Not no go so.
No go so.
All right.
Because the wife, the people them know about and love up, you know, fame people, you know.
You said that before and you touch it again, so that is an important. So who the man carry got him introduced to him relatives and all them things there. That is also a very important sign of where you rate things, all right?
Yeah, of course.
If you go meet the mother and the relatives and the sister and the brother and them move good and them check for you and when they look at pudding make them bring over slicey and all them look at things and call you and thing. And if them ever see him with one of the woman them call and I be a sitting like
you just. Same friend or him old time classmate and so and so.
But that is an important part, yes, because from the woman get introduced to the man, relatives, them and so forth. I ratings there, so.
Rating there, so.
All right, let me see what you say. Protection here.
All right, love you.
Bop.
All right.
All right. Yeah, man. Well, you don't know. She just make the argument say wifey get the better treatment. Rinse our next call upon me, the proper thing. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Good morning.
Yeah.
I'm calling from St. Mary, first time caller.
Yeah, man. Welcome to the family. Which part of St. Mary you link?
Port Mario.
Port Mario. Brap. So what's going on now?
Well, I always email you. My email name is K.
K.
Yeah.
Oh, Zen. So what's going down now?
Well, I'm not a wifey or a matey.
Right.
But I think matey get the better treatment.
You think matey get the better treatment right now? Why you say that?
Well, matey get money. Anything they want, they get it.
No, but wifey get money too.
No, but this is sometimes the matey get more.
Sometimes the matey get more money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know that?
Well, I have a friend.
Yeah.
She get money, clothes. Anywhere she want to go, she can go. She also go for more time too.
Oh, Zay.
While the wife is here.
While the wife is there.
Mm-hmm.
And the wife in a fly out.
No, so the wife is there same way.
Okay, but the wife just can't get the visa, but the matey could I get the visa?
No, the wife can't get it the same way.
Okay, so you based on the fact that she fly out and all them things, you definitely sure that she get better treatment.
Yes, definitely.
And they must spend more upon her.
Definitely.
And I commit more resources to her.
She get a care too.
She get care too?
Yes, a underfit.
She get a underfit?
Yes.
This is very key, you know. So the wife have a car?
No.
Oh, what they watch it?
Wife don't have no car. Wife can't even drive.
When you say wifey can't, she don't even have the license.
No, sir.
Wifey can't even drive.
No, sir.
But she get a underfit.
Yes.
So she fit.
Yes.
All right, I know. So in general, you think some mate to get better treatment than wifey?
Yes, to get better treatment.
Okay, all right then. Respect for the link.
I just want to pick up my son Kimani.
Yeah, man. Send on.
And my baby father Lemon.
Lemon?
Yes.
Well on. The Lemon?
The comedian Lemon.
Comedian Lemon?
Yes.
Well on. You don't know say Lemon I'm a dope, you know. You know that, no?
Yeah, man.
Lemon, I'm a straight power, man.
Even though we're not together, but you don't know I respect you.
Oh, Zane. Oh, not together right now. But Lemon, I baby father.
Yes.
Auntie, well, you don't know how to send me a link. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Greetings. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, Ragashanti.
Yeah, mama, there.
Morning. First time on the program.
Welcome to the family. Where you met the link from?
I'm Stacey from Portmore.
Stacey from Portmore. Bob, so why go down, Stacey?
Nothing much, Raga.
Me to your wife, who get the better treatment?
Wife get the better treatment.
Why make you say so?
Because wife in the yard I get all of the money and the food, car and house.
Oh yeah, but you don't, just hear a call and say, just an instance where me to get the car and me to go on a foreign and wife the one don't even have a license. Eh?
Raga?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wife get the best thing because guess what? I mean, a wife here, I get everything.
Okay, okay. But you talk for yourself.
Yes, Raga.
Oh, but you know if your man have mate? You know if you have any mate
Well,
out there?
me don't know that, Raga.
But all you for know, all you don't know if him have anybody, but you sure say you will get the better treatment.
Well, because I get the paycheck every month.
You get the paycheck every month?
Yes, everything. So I do what I want to do. So if you get out there, I get nothing. I don't really care because I get everything.
You get everything?
Yeah.
Well, you get most things than as far as you're concerned.
Yes, Raga.
So I just one place in work.
Yeah.
And that's one place you get money from.
Yes, Raga.
And you get that paycheck there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
First time on your program.
Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family.
I would like to tell you that your show is very boxy bonus. It's sell off.
This show is what?
Boxy bonus.
This show is very boxy bonus.
Okay.
All right, enough respect, man. So what I go down here now?
Yes, between the wifey and the matey stuff.
Yeah.
Sometimes the mate, that's where they get the better treatment, you see?
Yeah.
Sometimes with the husbands and the wife. Sometimes from them come off of them honeymoon, the wife does stay back, so just boring, so them not do nothing for entertain their husband and them stuff there.
Yeah.
So sometimes them just feel like they all put on some lingerie and all of that and model for their husbands and all of them things there.
Yeah.
So when the mate now start to do it and all of that, they might get the better treatment.
Okay.
But sometimes now with the wife get the better treatment in some cases. Because sometimes even if you are the mate, and you see the man and his wife, you can't upfront yourself and the man not cause you either or nothing. Because of the wife are the real thing there. So.
No, but you have some mates nowadays, them are flow different. Them are flow different.
Yeah, because
right?
some of the times so they might do stuff that their wives, the wives are not doing.
All right, so I'm on the subject that with the brother touch this, man. Let me ask you this now. Who are satisfied them gentlemen bet more? Wife or the mate?
Well, it's half and half sometimes because sometimes certain things that the mate might do outside.
The wife nah do.
The husband don't want them wives to do it. It's not like they're not doing it. They don't want them to do it. They don't want them to go there.
Oh, Mr. Wayasa.
Yeah.
It's not even that the wife nah do it. It's that the husband no want the woman who him call wife for do them things that him rather go with somebody who him can escape with and get him fantasy fulfill and whatever. So I mate if you do them things there.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Wayasa. So mate, we all flip the script and bounce out some freaky things and all them something, don't it?
Yeah, but the wife's not gonna do that. They don't
no,
want
but the
wife.
point you are making is that it's not even. We have situation where the wife don't want to do it, but the good point what you make is that some of the man don't want them wife
to do it.
For do them thing, for have bounce it certain way, them rather go outer and thing. Interesting point you make right there. Interesting point you make.
Yeah, because them not go on and wives with certain things and just make a woman out on the road do it and all of that and then give them money and stuff for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Sometimes it's the wife that bored. Some of the wives are very, very boring because from the honeymoon done, them just done right there. So
them feels from ring put on and thing, then can just let themselves loose.
Long nighty and all of them something. Then they would put on some little...
Some granny nighty and some bingo same thing, don't it?
Right.
And don't ever want Vicky up the thing.
Right,
You see it. All right then, blessings here.
Yeah, man, take care.
Proper thing.
All right.
Yeah, man, we're on the case between the matey and the wifey who get the better treatment. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Brother.
Wow, Mary Edgar.
As my time come, I hear loading another line open, it gone dull.
Hold on, and your phone not going with the foolishness again.
But still at time, I catch it and talk.
Yeah.
First of all, today I bring a birthday shot 3.
All
That's
right.
on big. All right. Raga, you should have keep a poll, to see how we should go come out the winner still,
You see it.
But listen now. You see the wifey and the matey thing?
Yeah.
Raga, I'm going to tell you something. You see when birthday, you see when anniversary, you see when any kind of special occasion, who the man stay home with. Whether you have the ring pan finger if you go in front of pastor or not. So, I don't think it's a case about who I get better treatment. Maybe wife with all, because a 2-income thing I do it nowadays. maybe wife could all go and work, and she not there, and maybe the mate out the way. She probably have more time to spend time with her. But maybe if the man rather really check for him woman like that still, no wife, no mate not gonna get no preference over no wife. Straight. You know, see.
No. Well, on. We know that, but what I'm saying is, if the man.
I can hardly hear.
Yeah, come on, do me a beg, come on, man. Yeah, what me I say is, if you just say if the man, right?
Yeah.
Right. The point I make is you have some man. They once you break down the thing, in a that simple, but there is some kind of configuration out there where the man want the wife play a certain role. And she gets certain type of treatment, and the mate must play a certain role, and them get certain type of treatment. But when people look upon it, some people are conclude that one get better treatment than the other. And I was interested in this because me grew up in a dancehall. You go call a woman mate. Mary, you know the code, a straight war that. And that's at the dancehall me grew up in, so it's fascinating to me. To hear them, you know woman aside, so them no want to be the wife.
Yeah, me know.
May I ask you, do you, hold on, have you heard any woman that said that?
No, them others that said them no want me no wife, because them no want wash, cook, and clean. But Raga, me tell you something. A false sense of security that. Let me tell you, every woman out there want the pan top. Every woman want the pan top. Because let me tell you something. You know, see, when you're
no, but Mary, the point is, when you say every woman wanted the pan top, what I am saying to you is that fine, you're right. Every woman wants the pan top. But what it means to be pan top has been redefined because the mate to them was say so. They consider themselves on top. That is what I said to you.
All right, Raga, enough for them, man. Then, Raga, let me tell you something. So, then what outcomes? If some of them would say, them know about the wife, but if the man I go find a next woman, I have a next woman, why them papa and broke a war? Why them must say, all right, I'm wife that? Why them go broke a war if them find out them go take a next girl?
No, because the mate to them will tell you, say, the wife has a role to play that they are quite comfortable with. But what they're saying is, them know what, there's a song about it too, when one woman said, we know you have your wife, but don't bother go take no other woman. And thing, you know that song there. But what the mate to them will say is that, no, in fact, them want the man to have a wife, because them no want that call it 24/7 non-stop or rare, all type of thing more time. So them will say, no man, the wife will stay there. There's certain roles the wife will play where them know a man want. Fulfill. But them say them no want the other woman in other thing. If you make it two go crowded now and the resources them have to go split up between three and whatever. So any other woman come, straight war and them a defend it and a be a blocking and thing a go on and so forth. You understand what I'm saying?
All right, Raga, Mama throw this in the mix then. Then why, if them go a dance and the man bring out him wife, right? And the man bring out him wife and them in the dance, and them know say, why them head take them then? Why them head take them?
Some of them.
So, well, Raga, so them...
Marry the phone bad, man. The phone line bad, yeah, man. It's a rough way up, man.
I really want to talk about the thing,
It's a rough way up, man. The technical people, them say it's a rough way up, man. Then they never fix what they want me, then over your phone line again.
Guess what? One dance the day, and the man come on with them big truck, and him bounce the wire, I don't wire, man, and I'm a fool.
No, it's really bad again.
I never got try it. Raga, I have phone like crazy,
Yeah.
Never get a net, never call, never plug out the internet line and call from the internet line.
All right, yeah. Do that.
And Mama tell you, ladies out there, Mama just said this, right? Everybody have a role to play, but Raga, me know say, woman, and more time woman want man to spend time with, other just starting out alone. And when birthday, when holiday, when any kind of special occasion, you want that person where you feel special about, for there with you. And like one caller said to Raga, when the man introduced you to the family, trust and believe. If the family knows, say, yeah, come, appear cousin and thing, and say, yeah, come in, I'm a good family life, come mash it up. Them don't want it at all.
All right, then, blessings, here.
Yeah, come.
Maria, easy, Maria, the boss. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Inside of the Mixup An Blenda sin thing, yeah? Wait. Yo.
Hello.
Yo. Hello?
Yeah.
Are you talking? This
Hello?
person, yeah. Why you listening to your radio, miss? Miss, tap listen your radio and talk, no? Hello.
Hello, morning.
Yes. Yeah,
Brother,
man.
morning. First of all, I see
Yeah.
you have to define treatment. What is treatment?
What is good treatment?
Yes, because the mate
Right.
them have it for things safe. That's because them can go there and here with the man and them can get the sort out. That is treatment. That is no treatment. At
Why
least
say
I
that
don't
is
think
not
that
good
should be
treatment?
any treatment, good treatment for any woman.
Well, okay, so what the mate them I get? What the wife them I get though that you consider good treatment?
Raga, as some callers said before, at the end of the day, them have to come on back to the wife. And sometimes if wifey happen to find out about the mate, at the side end.
And that's how it done.
Yes, at the side end.
With the matey.
Of course.
But what you think about the argument where some matey make say, yeah, he may go home because me want him to go home or he may go home but he must spend most of the time with me or whatever.
Oh, them no say they will get most of the time, Raga.
Well, that is it. No, that easy to define. What is harder to define is when them say, them I get more things from the man or whatever. Them don't really know that.
What is things? Where them I get the man will pay them rent and them will have a little car. But if them have a palada, wife you have a Carola. And if them have a Honda, wife you have a Prado.
No, but what I'm saying to you never hear the caller where I say the matey get under fit and travel and the wife don't even drive. Don't even know if to drive.
Because she no want that, Raga.
The wife no want it.
The wife no want that.
No, but whether the wife no want it or not, the point is, in that situation, that's a strong argument. So the matey get better treatment than the wife.
And in that case.
Mm-hmm. So when I ask now is that, given that in some cases the wife I get, back in the day, it was standard that the wife get better treatment than the matey, right?
True.
Now we have multiple situations where matey them a make a strong claim, say them get better treatment than the wife. To the point where you have quite a few women out there now. I say them would rather be the matey because matey get the better treatment. I hear several callers I say it and things like that on email. So when me just want to get a feel of out there in Jamaica now, how stronger is this thing where matey get the better treatment than wifey? You know, I don't really know. I just know pockets of it and so forth. But I just want to know how stronger is it, how strong it has gotten, you know?
Well, rather in a case like that, it will depend on the man and the woman, you know.
Yeah.
It will depend on the man,
yeah.
how he might treat the mate, and
yeah.
it will depend on the woman how she wants her man to treat her. Because if a man give you certain treatment and you don't want it, him can't give it. If a man let her certain treatment and you don't want it, him can't give it.
If you understand yourself and you make him know what you want, what you're going to put up with and what you're not put up with.
Precisely.
All right, but what me I say, in your best estimation, based on what go on out there in Jamaica, conversations you have with your friend, things you observe and so forth, who you think I get the better treatment still, the wifey or the matey?
Wifey, right?
Wifey, all right, proper thing, here?
Yes, man.
Blessings. Read an email, hello, Raga, on the topic. It's only a workless boy can have a woman on the side, a matey, and for a second give that girl the impression that she can hype upon the wife. Then again, some wives are not independent and put up with them type of abuse. What the wives need is some good legal advice and clean out the man properly. People, we're living in the 21st century. There is a washing machine and dryer, which I think is in most households in Jamaica. I don't think so. Anyway, additionally, there is what you call helpers. I think the vast majority of these people who think that mates get better treatment do not know the real value of money, in that getting 3,000 to 5,000 G is nothing really. That does not cover the bill to the hair salon. The wife owns the house. The wife owns the car. The wife have the credit card. And the mates, if they go out with the man, it's the places you call hideouts, where people in your social group will not go to see you. All right, I hear you talk about the things. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Greetings, hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Whoa.
Yes, good morning.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you clear.
Okay. Well, this is my first time calling in your program.
Yes.
And I was at the program last night. It was good.
All right. You enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did.
You laugh.
Yeah, man. It
Great.
But guess what? I have to tell you something disappointing.
What's that?
You know, a man took away one of the white chairs and took it and went away with it.
You lie.
True.
But
my sister and I was there, and we saw when he went through the gate with one of the white chairs, and I said, my God, why people can't just behave themselves?
No, but you know, I go have to pay for that now, you know.
Exactly.
That is
That's
the
what I
agreement.
say. You should have somebody, seeing something like that.
But him walk through the gate, the little gate
right
with the
through
chair.
the gate that we went through. He was in front of us.
Oh Lord, that's not good. That's not good at all. That's not good at all.
Everywhere. I was so disappointed. I said, I have to call it because it's the first time I'm calling, so I said, I have to call
Imagine
it.
me just I start the little thing and them go put them in pressure.
So
I'm never gonna pay for that the chair then.
I know, you have to watch out for that.
Okay.
All
And
right.
we trust the people them so whenever leave nobody at the gate and thing, you know? And people are leaving them but they all careless boy gone with a chair.
Yeah.
Why? That's upsetting. But anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, man.
And thank you for coming here.
No problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And to you, Mr. Careless boy, you come in that place, come tea for people, them cheer. I hope you sit up on it and it broke and you drop and you broke all part of you. What kind of foolishness thing them think the Pastor Palmer?
It's really rudeness.
It's really rudeness.
Yes.
Ladies and it's rudeness, or rudeness you call it.
Yeah, rudeness.
Rude. Ladies and gentlemen, listen as Pastor Palmer up in that place, man, I pass through and take Tambourine for Pastor Palmer, man. Because you don't know when anybody or anything gets ratings for that show, you're Tambourine, man. So Pastor Palmer, who got people function and got thief cheer?
Well, it's just somebody that really are sick in their brain.
You see it?
Yes.
Well, I may tell you, we just want to say enough respect for the pastor and thing and see I have a beautiful lady beside you. This lady is...
yes, sir. This is...
Can me fast, you know?
Well, it doesn't really matter.
It doesn't really matter. This is
not really the wife. She works along with me.
Okay.
Right, so she's my right hand.
Okay.
In the ministry.
Right, Pastor Palmer.
Exactly.
But in using two words, not really, you can't go cause confusion.
Well, confusion ever be causing.
Right.
Because you can't avoid confusion.
So you didn't mean to use not really?
Well, it's just the way how you look at things.
Right.
Right.
No, what I'm saying is she's not the wife. She's not the wife. You said she's not the wife.
Right.
Okay.
She's just not the wife.
Yeah, but you said not really Pastor Palmer.
Not really the wife.
Yeah.
Well, brother, I can read between the line where you're going, but we are not...
No, I'm just asking, you know.
Oh.
I'm just asking, you know, because you remember when you got stop for help that woman there in New Kingston. You can't get yourself in trouble, you know. Remember, you have to take what you said from that one day. Remember, you helped the woman I never knew she was a prostitute, so you have to let go.
Well,
yo, she never there, you know. Pastor Palmer drive through the Kingston one night, you know. And one woman was stop him and ask him for help or whatever. But he never know the code, you know. Because the spot was he stop him and a regular hustling spot for the prostitute. But when so Pastor Palmer then they talk to woman later night in his car. And he said he get the full out of that thing. He said, drive way far. Here, Pastor Palmer. You can't imagine one of my church members they pass. I see my car out there. In the night, there's someone there.
Yeah, that would be an assumption. Where I couldn't prove that.
Because I tell you, like, I look a crewmate like me in a pastor. I said, wait, Pastor Palmer, I saw you roll. I saw you go on.
Well. You see, as a pastor, you have to be careful for nothing.
Right.
In everything, you have to be careful what you're doing.
Right.
Because eyes are always on you.
That's true.
Unseen eyes.
Right, that's true.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why when we catch somebody passing them, I want to know them business, you know, we don't necessarily call their name. But, you know, I mean, if it's one person who, fine, if you're a politician, we almost expect a certain foolishness to go on, which shouldn't be.
Right.
If you are this, but this is pastor is the ultimate rule where you're not supposed to have no conflict and go on.
Right.
So we have a right when pastor misstep, give it to them.
Well, I would say it's just like a child to a father when you know that the child oversteps certain bound as the father, you have to put back that child in line.
Right.
So just like with the world, you're out there, you're a role model or you're a figure that they're looking up to. And what really happens, you have to be very careful that you preach, not only preach, but you live what you preach.
But Pastor Palmer, respect for the pastor, but before you leave,
Yes,
because
sir.
you are a pastor, you're a man of the cloth, you're a minister, and so forth. But what we rate with you, you hip to Agua on a road, and you always have some interesting insights on the topics and so. So Matey and Wifey, who you think getting the better treatment out there?
Well, always the matey.
Well, Pastor, you're a minister, you're a pastor, you come to people and you say, always the matey I get the better treatment.
You have to call a spade a spade.
A spade. Oh, why you say the matey I get the better treatment, Pastor Paul?
I've seen it.
You've seen it?
Right. And I have to deal with it. Several times I have to give counsel.
Okay.
To people having those.
What are the things that happen make you as a pastor, minister, I say always a matey them I get the better treatment? What are the things that happen?
Because most likely the wives complain of the husband coming in late, not meeting up to their responsibility.
Okay.
Because you know that when a man have a wife, he's saying that I now have her.
Okay.
But the matey is that he has to do certain things to keep her or to get sexual favors.
From
the matey. Because what really happened, the difference between the wives and the mateys, most wives are treated looking for certain things in the relationship handled with certain respect.
Right.
But the mateys, they are there for the business. So they will go the long to the last point.
You think that's a general trait of mateys, that mateys in general would do what the wife won't do?
Yeah, because it is business.
No, but you don't think that it's changing now? Because I'm hearing matey. You see, one of the things I'm trying to get out here, that you have the business part of it, but one of the things that I find interesting is that mateys are actually talking about a relationship that is set up differently. That is not just business. It's just that it's a relationship, but that the requirements for the parties, the roles that they should play, is set up differently than the traditional one for the wife. You understand the distinction I'm trying to? It's not just business, They just, but in other words, you have a whole heap of matey who will tell you upfront, and a man can't disrespect them.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then we say we control this and it depends for them, whatever. But what they're really doing, is changing the dynamics of what constitutes an ideal relationship. Yeah. What the traditional role of the man supposed to be and what the traditional role of the woman supposed to be. And what they're doing is saying that this change can occur under the paradigm of the matey. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So the issue of respect is not that them going to just do things where the wife now do. It's that they're reconfiguring the relationship, and they're just saying, it just happened that they're saying the thing that they now prefer in this modernized world is consistent with the qualities usually attributed to a matey, providing that the matey is diametrically opposed to what the wife is. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I follow you.
You see? So it's not simple that, it's not just simple like, matey are just business and thing. Well, it's just a different type of relationship.
Right. As you say, relationship. It depends on the agreement in the relationship.
Right.
Right. Because you find some woman will go with a man on the basic of sexual favors.
Yeah.
Some will go because I want you to deal with certain financial part.
Right.
Or educational wise.
Right.
Or
some will go because of
looks, and some will go for popularity.
Right.
And you know that you are famous. Some will go to be in the bling bling, as the word would say.
You're not talking about me.
When
you never did that talk about me when they say you know that you are famous.
No, I'm not saying saying you in person. No. I won't do that, Rag. I won't do that. No, but it's all right. It's all right.
It was a joke because I'm not famous, so it has to be a joke.
No, don't say that you're not famous. You would be lying.
No, I'm not famous. Man.
No, man. That's not true. You are very famous because being on the road.
Yeah.
I can say a whole lot here.
Yeah.
In this studio. It is out there. It's in the air.
What?
Raga.
Okay. Zane, the show.
The show.
Yeah.
Not only the show, but the name.
Zane.
Because it carries, it's not just the name, but the name carries weight.
Oh, Zane? For real?
Right. If you use the name, you will get result.
Really?
Right.
Just like
Ragashanti, you will get results.
Okay.
Because
wait, good results?
Good results.
Okay.
Good feedback.
All right.
You understand? That is the exact thing, not just words going out, but there is power.
Right.
In the name.
And for that, I'm very, very grateful and thankful, particularly with the people who have been supporting me.
Yes.
And particularly that I'm covered with prayers and people have a prayer
well,
for me.
I always
look out
do
for me
that.
and bless me.
I always
and
do that.
of course, my mother who laid the foundation and thing. You know, a woman who was very comfortable in her skin. You know, and teach me certain things, pass on certain things. And I don't even realize she pass on until now. I realize she did a pass them on, and I realize that they're of value. And many of those things are manifested in who I am, and it's that people see and love and rate and respect. But I say big respect to my mama, because she didn't know what she had done.
Yeah, exactly. That's what the word of God says. Yeah. Train up the child in the way that he should go. And when he grow old, he will not depart from it.
All right, then. Well, I'm going to take a couple of calls more back on the topic before we leave and thing. All right?
All right.
And thing. Okay, when we read that email about before we take a couple more calls. Yes, Raga, I want to tell you, say, me to get better treatment. Most of the cases, the man spend all the time at Matey yard. Him only go home when him want to sleep. Him know him have to take care of Matey bills and thing. Because if him not give Matey that Matey are going to make wife know. Him a cheat and thing. Raga, me have a friend. And the girl, man, nah left her yard for the wife. All they call the youth, sister, call my friend to run, tell him, go ahead. Oh yeah, this a little bit confusing. And then you call maid, cause of them do all the work at home. Not you, all you get for go shopping and sort him out. Anyway, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My comment is this.
Could you speak a little? We can hardly hear you, yeah?
Work. But my
okay.
Is this. Whoever the man wants, he will spend on. So whether it be wife or mate, it's up to the man.
Okay, whoever the man wants him going to spend on, whether it be wife or mate.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's the man opinion that we want more.
All right, then.
All right.
Yeah, man. Blessings, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Here we go. Time for the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah,
brother?
great. Yeah.
Yeah, delicious is from Portmore.
Delicious from Portmore. What you say, princess?
Yeah, Raga, my nan tell I still know. Me a wifey and me a matey. You understand?
Well, your wifey and your matey?
Yeah, man, me a wifey and me a matey. But my nan tell me like Raga.
Hold on.
I have to tell them for go on one.
Hold on. Let me just ask you straight. You have two, man?
Yeah, because my husband live a foreign.
Yeah.
You understand? So he want to come once a year. So
your husband live a foreign. Hold on. Your husband live a foreign and you have up a man who there with that woman out here.
Right. We're married and wife and kids.
Yeah. So you're strategically speaking, you're in a very good position for tell me what I go on this, you know. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, go and talk now. What you say you did that for race support or whatever no?
Yeah, me have to tell him sometimes, so boy, you have to go home to your wife and God no can't no look right. The man a leave somewhere already and him come up Portmore every man come find out if my alright. Work over by 5 o'clock and him reach over by 5:30 and him there till around sometimes after 12. And I say, no man, you don't look right, man. Go on home to your wife, man, and you pick the man. I must say, want me to see my happy with me, the man. One day after I done start him out, I see my cry. So I say, want me to see where you
Well on, one day after you done start him out, you see my ball?
Yeah, ball. So I say, where you ball for? Him say, boy, baby, I'm sorry you married, you know. Because God no me no know what. And I like me as somebody with
So wait, the sort out, hold on, the sort out fixing business until him a ball. It's like, hold on, but it's like him get a good feeling. It's a happy ball, no?
Yeah.
Hold on. Pass the tambourine. My girl, you know you stay well, fixing business and make him ball.
Make him man a ball, Raga, the man a ball. I'm say people ball for.
Whoa. Okay, go on talk.
I'm say where a ball for. Him say me a ball because they start me out good and plus you're married and I should have me. You understand? So I say you know have your wife too. We don't belong to each other. So we are crazy for. The wife make you cry too. I must say no, when him there on him wife, it's like it's just our work and things. You understand? And me not gonna lie, I don't know if wife to get better treatment or me because to me I both of them and the two of them are treat me good.
Yeah.
Because I pay rent 25,000 a month.
Yeah.
My husband sends every month, him pay every month, him pay my light, him pay my water.
Who do that?
A taxi. I'm 100,000 the next day I get it, Raga.
No, hold on. Who pay the rent and the light and everything?
Him pay my rent, him know me have my husband.
Him who? The man pay?
Come and give me the money.
Okay.
And my husband send the money to when I would light, him give me money for the light.
Oh,
give me the money for the water.
So basically the two of them are pay the same bills?
Right, the two of them are pay the same bill, you understand?
Okay.
And then not only that, his wife work. And me get on, me I go do an interview one day, and him say, babe, I go do interview for you. I go, what do you mean, me I go work for me independent, support anything, and you understand? I must say, but babe, then I ask for work, my daddy for you and whatever. I mean, I say, but your wife I work, why you don't want me work? You don't want nobody get me and whatever. I must just go do a course. Anyway, I go do a course in a nursing.
Yeah.
I got the whole of money, 40,000 plus the things the other rest about the things that I saw me use, you know. And I must say, babe, nothing that, man, anything else you want, anything you want to do. I must say, my brother want a taxi on the road, you know, and him send the 100,000 for my buy the taxi.
Him send the money for your brother buy a taxi. So y'all and me out and I take care of your brother too.
So I want a family thing.
Okay.
A family thing.
A family.
What him tell him say mother birthday?
What do you tell him say your mother birthday? You tell him say your mother birthday?
Yeah, and him want to keep our party.
I want to keep our party too.
Yeah, and then I one of the things me hear somebody call and attack say how much when the man family them know you. In family them know me, everybody know me. In sister them are pushing to me, but rather not about the family. I'm not being the family want let me yes I know, you know, because I'm not really into family, you know.
Yeah.
I need that straight.
Yeah.
Some of them don't love you so you can't give them. I'm not nothing thinking about it because I look for my family. You understand me?
Oh, Zed.
I'm a good husband and fine, but you don't know. You
All
come
right.
once a year and yeah, woman, where you start. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
so,
respect here.
Huh?
Respect here.
Yeah, man. So it's just all about the mate and the wife. Everybody I get the same treatment because my wife and mate. So I have to talk for both of them.
All right, strength for the link
yeah,
here.
Man, and respect, love you. Here, take care.
All right, then. Quick email. Hi, Raga. I had to give my little 2 cents. I've been a mate for years. Straight up, Raga. Wife get the house and I get apartment. Wife stay home and I represent. Meaning that wherever he goes, I am there. I cook sometimes, Raga, but I don't wash. Respect due to wife, yes, but because if I should see them on the street, I will never violate. I just yell at the man and go through. No disrespect. Anything I need, Raga, he provides. The only disadvantage is that sometimes when I really need him, especially before dawn, he has to go. I don't agree with Christine. It's not all about the daggering. Yeah. Well, time I run out. 2 minutes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Pastor.
Yes.
Greetings.
Yes, greetings.
You're the wife and me, but I say first lady.
You say first lady?
Yeah.
So, all right, we can't, but yeah, that's the other name, them get the wife I get to. First lady.
First lady.
First lady and things. So, what you say?
Yeah, me a first lady. Raga, straight.
Yeah, first lady.
Yeah. I'm not too like to meet them because I have some girl loving and some girl life.
Yeah.
Today, I'm my man's birthday, and my man named Marvin, and I'm real wife.
You see it?
Yes, straight.
So big up Marvin out there, man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday strong to Marvin.
Yeah, big up Marvin. Anybody that take Marvin, I forgot take me and him and Shanti.
And wait, who there Shanti now?
Him daughter.
Him daughter?
Yeah.
Anybody that take...
Anybody that come in our life, I forgot have the three out together for take care of.
All right then. Blessings here.
Yeah.
Enough respect. When we read that email here, Raga, The girl who called from Port Maria, St. Mary, we talk about she a lemon baby mother. She know for talk about who get better treatment. She has never been lemon wife. And it's such a touch and Lego makes she breathe. What? She come and talk about respect due to lemon. And lemon has never respected her. She a talk about baby father. And she don't even have a number in case of emergency. Lemon was just a sperm donor from a little careless Ray. The real baby mother who was wife is from Enfield, St. Mary. Him used to wife her up and thing in a natter beer when there was lemon and lime. Tell her for go on, cause she not get nothing. She must know, say, mate not get better treatment, cause she never get no treatment when she was a mate and she became a mate and baby mother and nothing still not go on for her. She told lie, make she go on. No, you say something else, you say I can't read. Whoa, I eat me a pepper. So here we go now, back to a topic now between Matey and Wifey. Who get the better treatment? I can read that email. Ragashanti, hello. Matey need to stop hype up themselves. No. The matey them need to stop hype up themselves. It's not a new position them in her. It's only a new name. They used to be called concubines back in the day, and they do serve a purpose in society then and now. But the wifey will still keep her status because for a lot, if not most of these, they still have respect for her. I hear a dial tone and kill me. All right, I could go to the phone line. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Yeah, greetings. Morning.
Yeah.
Ruthie, big up yourself.
All right.
And a pleasant good morning to all 93 FM listeners.
All right.
Yes, funny topic here, no Raga.
Yeah.
I know all of the time, the matey then get no good treatment. Some of them when they are hype.
Oh, see?
Let me tell you.
For real. Make you say that.
Yeah, man. You see, some of the time, some man really left their woman and go there and go on and talk up some little things and my wife now do. And my wife, I got bed in a long gown and all kind of this and that and that. But some of the time I lie. Sometimes they just want to get to some little woman out there. Some of them howler and can't even pin cotton.
Ooh. You mean the matey them?
Yes.
They can't even pin cotton. So what you say, the man them just are telling them things there for make them forget certain things from them.
Yes.
But the man not really want, and the man just want to use them, the matey them.
Right. They want to use them.
Okay. So when the matey them hear the man them are tell them things, and them things are true the man I tell, but the man just want certain things from them.
Yes.
And the man might really love him wife, like wow, don't it?
And when they just use them and fool them out that treat there.
Oh,
let me tell you something. When you have to bend down and eye, they say, Raga, and easy sitting. You see man and you see wife and husband in a car. You the one side, I feel just a dog back a corner and a peep and I say, wait till when them gone. And the time now, you only have one lily, $2,000. When them have them 30,000 and then 10,000, them buy anything where them want. Then some of them know the matey them, and them brag pan them.
Wait, who brag pan who? Who brag pan who?
Some of the wife them brag pan the matey them when they know so their handbag heavy with money, and them only get little change, little change where man a walk with in a pocket car go drink little rum and go buy 2 beer. When they have them the little chum change in them pocket there, and wife you have them enough money, them both man them wife you have a nice handbag inside and a show off pan them enough time.
All right then, you know.
Me not say some of the time somebody mate they don't get some good treatment, but the majority of time wife you get all of the good treatment.
All right.
Me tell you.
All right, then respect for the link here.
Raga, me meet one of your relative at Port Maria the other day,
One of my relative?
Yes, she say she and your cousin when you're Michael Garden.
Yeah.
A relative. You know that name?
Yeah, man, Michael Garden, I'm a cousin, man.
All right. She now near Mitzi.
Yeah.
And she give me the number you forgive him. I don't know if I forgive them panic.
No. Stay upon the line and get Ruthie half the year, yeah?
All right. right, cool.
All
yeah,
right.
man, you have to call her at her home anytime after 6.
All right, then. Blessings, yeah?
Yeah, man, cool, all right.
All right, then. Protection. I can read that email before we take a quick break. Raga, why some mother-in-law so disgusting? I am a hairdresser, and every time this woman come to the salon, she don't pay the girls in the shop. And Raga, she come for do nails, hair, and facial too. And every time, I have to go in my pocket for pay the girls them. Sometime all 3 times for the month. She just show up. Raga, I just give her son him walking papers last night. Cause on my salary, me can't afford for pay rent, for take care of my daughter, and then for financing mother. Raga, just wait till month end. As she go at the bank, go cash her husband check and give him what she feel to give him. She don't work, Raga. And me that is working, can't live like she. But if she give the son the walking papers right now, you know, sound like the mama forget the walking papers too. So the mother-in-law come in her hairdressing shop all whole heap of time and not pay no money and thing and whatever. And it no sound like them did have that agreement and thing. They you know tell her she for pay her money. But she feels because you're there with her son, so she entitled them thing there whatever. We don't know. If you give her a talk, man, but if you say you left the son and you're sure about that, send her run the mama too, you know. The mama leech pan you and all them something.